Kuching!
Hello. So we're on our way for the pancake house.
There you go.
Hash brown bites ordering.
What are we going to order nga?
So,
Brown bites na lang. Or
etong chicken nuggets. Yung hash brown bits. Yung chicken nuggets pala. 99 lang yung chicken nuggets. As
I'll pour my syrup.
I'll help you.
Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Mom. You should say. Birthday, Mom. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Mommy. I love you.
I love it. Wow.
Ganda naman ng pancake. Yes, thank you, Pancake House.
Can I eat some of it?
But I have to put some, hot sauce. Ako lang, sabay ko lang. Okay?
There's a pancake na. Here's the plate. Here.
Yun lang. Yung pancake ko mag-cheese na. Alam, anak, mahal pa. Mulog. Like it? Hindi maanghang para sa'yo. Maanghang eh. Medyo maanghang. Ayun, ayun. Nagas mo. Thank you po. Picture mo. Ay, sige, sige. Picture tayo.
That's my chicken nugget.
It's your chicken nuggets and my pancake is full of cheese now. And I'm gonna enjoy my birthday pancake.
And I'm gonna enjoy my chicken nugget.
Can I taste it?
Sure.
Nice it. You want? You want? Oh, it's not ice cream, it's butter. I'm sorry, it's butter, anak. And then we're gonna eat. Yum. Oh, I like it. It has chocolate chips. So yum. I like it with hot sauce.
Ano to, mami?
Ah, ito pa?
Ha?
Ano pa? Ayaw mo na? Ano na to?
Yeah. By the way, it's your birthday.
Thank you. Thank you, Pancake. Be happy.
Look at that.
Ano? Tutok pa. Maging hot. Have one?
Huh?
I have one. Ano to ni Butchay? Nuggets. Favorite niya to eh. We'll have it with gravy muna. It's hot.
I told you.
The gravy is nice. Hello.
And also the barbecue sauce.
Is that a barbecue sauce, not ketchup?
No.
Can I have the barbecue sauce? So we're gonna try the barbecue sauce. Kanina pa nilalanda ka ni Butchay. Barbecue sauce, guys. Hot lang. I like this one better. But the gravy is okay.
The chicken nuggets over.
Sarap, no? Happy that's food.